Norfolk Road. We were just talking about that park. Yeah, home. Maybe I'll go over there.
There's definitely spots through there. You could even, like, it runs all along that whole road.
Yeah.
Like, I even came out, like, where Route 10?
Yep.
278 is there. You can get all the way from there to there. You could get
Yeah, maybe I'll check that out.
Actually, if you're on real balls, you can go see the washed out road on Norfolk Road.
Washed out road.
It's all detour over there. If you go, past where 272 and 10 meet towards where Ryan lives, supposedly it's like fucking whole road's gone.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, because of the fucking,
Water fucking flies.
the flood that we just had.
Look at it, ripped like sewage, like big, huge pipes, like right out of the ground.
Oh, shit. Yeah, maybe I'll go explore over there. That's cool. All right. All right, man.
Yeah, so looking forward to the upload on YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah. So a lot of this probably isn't supposed to be water unless it really fills up. Because there's a dam that we passed, and I think this is starting to fill up. I could see it when I was coming up the road, off the side of the road. It looked like another freaking lake here. I don't know, usually it's kind of like a swamp, but it's full. A little bit around here, maybe. Check out the other side. Yeah. Wow. Yep. It's flooded. Man, I'm gonna have to come up here when it's dry. I want to see where these trails go. Huh. It's pretty cool though. You can see this was all underwater. This was all mud. Just probably yesterday or the day before. Wow. So that dam was doing work, that's for sure. I mean, our whole town got wiped out back in like the 40s or some shit. 40s or 50s. Whole town just washed away, the entire downtown area. Because as you can see when I was coming down the hill, this town is literally in the middle of a valley. It's just surrounded by hills. River that runs through. Half the time is like a brook, you know. When it rains, it gets a little, you know, raises a little bit, but it's nothing crazy. But I mean, we've been having inches upon inches of rain. So, kind of cool. I've never seen it this wet before. Camping and stuff here, but not overnight because Connecticut sucks. Oh yeah, you can see how this is kind of like a area for when it floods. It's mainly just a swamp, as you can see now. But Dan was saying that near my friend Rhino's house, somewhere down the road, roads are closed because some of these streams and rivers actually washed away everything. So we're gonna, I think, try to find that. that guy's getting lucky, so I don't want to really impede on him. Oh, pretty cool though. You know, it's weird, like the state, it's like they have this stuff, but they don't want people to use it. And then it just turns into ridiculousness. Like that guy's doing some weird sketchy shit. I don't even want to go over there. But it's like, do you want to bring your kids here? It's fucking, I don't know. Sad. I remember the last time I was in here, it was to go to a family reunion. You know, this is like early 90s. I didn't know they closed this road. That's what damage was. I was wondering, I'm like, why is there not a lot of bikes out? This is like the bike route. God, it's collected all the freaking logs, dude. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. This had to be ripping. I mean, it's still going pretty fast. This is high. That had to be insane. You can see all the logs stuck on this person's poor bridge. They can't even get to their house. Wow. Wow. Okay. So I wonder what happened to the road up here. Oh yeah, this is over here. Wow. Dude, this is so they filled this in with sand. So that was high for the water to push logs up there. This was all underwater. It had to be. Oh man. That's why they closed the road though? I mean, it washed part of that bridge out, sort of. Mailman doesn't care, rain or time. Snow. Yeah, you can see they've been working. Oh, boy. There we go. Here's some damage. Oh. I'm kind of scared to drive on that. I'm just gonna... Where's the bridge? I guess it was just those metal pipes. And they probably buried it, but then it washed out the pipes. And they probably all ended up right over here or something. That's cool. can see this is another pipe, but they're using it to access that. Well, that's why this road's closed, but why is the other road closed? Let's go investigate. This poor guy's freaking driveway, dude. Oh, man. Did they have water coming out the back of around their house? Down in here, probably. There's a... Let's go see. This is... Yeah, that looks washed away for sure. Oh yeah, this little stream block. Alright. Pretty cool. Why did they close this road? I mean, there was probably a lot of debris. Oh yeah, oh wow. Wow. Look at the road. Oh yeah, that's pretty dangerous. Kind of want to see what this looks like underneath. Oh shit, yeah. Wow. Yeah, you wouldn't want any trucks driving over that, that's for sure. I mean, it's definitely strong enough for the bike, but that's why this road's closed. Look at, the water was going under the road. I mean, it was raining like crazy. I was in another town and the water was rushing down the side of the road so fast it was going into the drains, but I think it was just bypassing the drains and eating around the drains because there was just so much water. So the water was actually coming underneath the layer of tar, and it was actually bubbling, huge bubbles on the sides of the roads. Looked like you could pop them or something. And they were like moving. It was pretty crazy. So this had to be nuts to watch. I mean, this house, they must have been, that had to be pretty scary. I mean, dude, it's like right behind their house. The stream just turns into a raging river. Who knows if they have flood insurance? Oh man, they got a fan in their basement. Like, that sucks. Water damage sucks. Really bad. Can't even imagine what their basement looks like. Well, that was cool. Alright guys, so that's my little ride for today. I don't have much time. I'm gonna go swimming, I think, in the parent house. So, hope you enjoyed the ride. Make sure you like and subscribe.